Aloha guys, welcome to another episode of Filming Paradise. On this episode, we're going to check out the sunflowers in Waikapu, the famous road to Hana, and a great meal in Lahaina with Frida's Beach House. So come on along on Filming Paradise. Aloha. We're here on the beautiful island of Maui with gorgeous scenic views. We're out in one of the fields here on location, and I am going to share with you my 19 years of being in the hospitality industry. We've got all kinds of value deals. We're going to work with cultural events that you've probably not seen, save you some money on restaurants and accommodations. So come along and let's go filming paradise. Aloha. Aloha guys, we're up country at Kula Country Farms, and this is the Oktoberfest, and we are here checking out some of the grounds. We've got some of the sunflowers and some of the other things. So let's go check out some more. Come along. Aloha. Guys, on the road to Hana, I've had a lot of people ask. You've got 57 one-lane bridges, 617 turns, tons of waterfalls, a beautiful Blacksandsbeach. Really worth it, but it is an all-day event. So let's check it out on this episode of Filming Paradise. Aloha. One of the first things you'll see along the road to Hana is some of the Paia beaches. Then you go through Paia town, and then Ho'okipa, the windsurfing, kite surfing capital of the world. One of the most beautiful sights is Kenai Peninsula with their rugged coastline and crashing waves on the rocks. Make sure to check out the Kenai Peninsula Lookout just past mile marker 13. Beautiful scenic views.
General store, one post office, one tiny little bank, a little gift shop, and a restaurant. General store, Hana's only gas station to the right, and that's it. That's cute little Hana town.
One of the most striking waterfalls is Wailua Falls at mile marker 45 on the road to Hana, especially after a powerful rain. I often get asked when considering the road to Hana, should we drive or book a van tour? They both have their advantages. Driving allows you to make stops when you want to and go at your own pace. Please make sure if you do drive, you honor the road signs and the small towns. Some stops do need permits. But the driver rarely enjoys the drive, so booking a van tour allows all parties to equally enjoy the tour. Aloha guys, we are here outside of Frida's Mexican restaurant in Lahaina. We're just getting ready to go in for a nice birthday lunch. Excited about that. And it's right here on the water across from the Cannery Mall. So come along with us to Frida's Mexican restaurant. There's my beautiful wife. Still having a mask up for COVID. They are open, but we'll see if we can get in. And right here on the water, real nice views. So they're chips and salsa. Chips aren't all that different, but this is an old family recipe for the salsa. So I just had to show you guys the views. That's my favorite view, but my second favorite view is right over here.
Well, like cheddar, yeah, just basic.
Yeah, we have cheddar.
Oh, okay.
So you want that in replace of the goat cheese?
Yeah, and the other,
Okay.
all the other stuff. Okay.
All right, so you got
chili relleno,
chili relleno.
Salsa fresca.
Yeah, looks good. And Jim, you got the quesadilla. Yeah. Hey guys, we are here at Frida's for the birthday lunch and looking forward to it. Got some Huevos Rancheros and some fish tacos on the way. Just wanted to show you a little bit of the view. The view is really beautiful. Thank you. I do a little YouTube channel, so we're going to highlight Frida's and have it, yeah. I know, I'm not trying to embarrass you. You're just very friendly, so we appreciate it.
Yeah. Do you still want more chips and salsa? I brought the food. Okay, thank you.
One thing I wanted to mention, guys, this Tomatillo salsa is awesome. The habanero peach or lilikoi mango is super hot. So, too hot for you, Liesl? Yeah. Jim, your favorite?
Tongue is on fire.
Yeah. It's delicious. So we started off with the Huevos Rancheros. Went over easy this time. Looks really, really good. Of course, we got the chips, and then we are going to share the mahi fish tacos. And Jim got the chicken flantas, right?
Yeah,
Flantas.
chicken
And Liesl got the veggie tacos that look really good. Wow. We are at Frida's in Lahaina, so good stuff. Can you pull your mask down when I see the beauty and the wow. Aloha guys, we just got done with Frida's here. We're right on the water. Very good food. Highly recommend it. It's across from the Cannery Mall and next to Star Noodle. Guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Filming Paradise. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't, share with your friends, and make sure you tune in for future episodes of Filming Paradise. Aloha.